Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking where Google lives on your laptop, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once you know the browser, make sure sync is off so changes don't reappear on other devices. Now open the browser settings, then go to the search engine or privacy area. This is where search defaults and stored search entries are kept. You're acting now to remove Google as the default and delete local search history, rather than just hiding it, so future searches use a different provider. Once done selecting settings, choose a new default search engine, or set none if the browser allows, so future queries won't go to Google. Next, clear browsing data. Pick search history, cookies, and cached images. Set the time range to all time to be thorough. Then go to the address bar or autocomplete settings and remove any saved search entries or suggestions tied to Google. These steps delete the active links and the stored prompts that would bring Google back. Now restart your browser and test by typing a query in the address bar. Make sure it routes to the new search engine. If you signed into Chrome or another browser with a Google account, sign out or remove that profile to prevent settings from syncing back. If Google still reappears, check extensions, some for search providers, and disable them, or use the browser reset option to restore defaults. One key troubleshooting tip: disable sync across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.